Ever taken a sip of water and not thought twice about it? Of course you have. But what if I told you, if you had to carry every drop of water you drank, you'd never waste it again? Hi, I'm Lipika Sud. I'm an interior designer, a motivational speaker, an artist and a poet, and I love sharing beautiful things with you. Let me tell you a story. I once stayed in a remote village where there was no running water. Every morning, people walked miles to fetch water in pots. And guess what? They never wasted a drop. That experience taught me something big. We only truly value what we earn with effort. Think about it. What's one thing you took for granted until you had to work for it? Think about it. I am sure it'll hit you. This isn't just about water. It's about life. Whether it's money, success, or even relationships. When you work hard for something, you cherish it more. Hard work isn't a punishment. It's the price of appreciation. And here's how to apply this to your life. 1. Earn before you spend. When you work for something, it means more. 2. Respect efforts, yours and others. Everything has a cost. Time, energy, resources. Appreciate it. And 3. Gratitude changes everything. The more you value what you have, the more fulfilling life becomes. So, next time you drink a glass of water, take a moment. Think about it. Think about the unseen efforts that go behind it. Apply that thinking to everything in life and see how your perspective changes. So, what's something you value more now because you worked for it? Think about it and share those thoughts with someone you care. True value isn't in what we have, but in what we earn. And yes, if you like this video, share it, subscribe, and I'd love your comments. Till next time, I love you. I believe in you. Keep smiling.